Good morning, dear students. Last topic I have completed adaptations in polar bear. Now I will tell you what are the adaptations in penguin. What are the adaptations in penguin? Like the polar bear, penguin is also white. Like the polar bear, penguin you can see in the diagram. Like the polar bear, penguin is also white. The animal therefore merges well with the white background of snow. And this one also merges with the white background of snow, so easily you cannot identify it. It also has a feathery coat as well as a layer of fat under the feathery coat, so it helps to keep the body warm. The coat covers the body right down to its legs. The coat and the layer of fat protect it from cold, helping to keep the body warm. This layer of fat present, so it helps to keep the body warm. The feet have webs which help them to swim. Penguins are good swimmers. Penguins are good swimmers. The body is streamlined and this help in swimming. Body is streamlined and this help in swimming. Body is streamlined just like fish, so it help in swimming. Other animals living in polar region. What are the adaptations? Other animals, those who are living in polar regions. Reindeer, foxes, seals, musk, oxen, whales, many types of fish and birds. Birds, mammals, many types of fish and insects show a unique phenomena of migration. What is the migration? Animals move from one place to another place in the scarcity of food, in the scarcity of shelter, and for the reproduction. They move from one place to another because they don't have capability to adapt themselves according to that environment. So they move from one place to another. These animals move or migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. When winter sets in, so these animals move to the warmer region when winter sets. Migration is means to escape the harsh cold conditions present in the home environment. What is the migration? Movement of animals from one place to another in the scarcity of food, shelter, and for the migration. And for the reproduction. The animals come back after the winter is over, and when they will come back? When winter starts, they will come. You must have heard of migratory birds. India is one of the places where many birds come to escape the extreme climate at home. For example, Siberian crane. Siberian crane comes from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Another example is that of European swallow. This bird is found in northern Europe in summer, but in winters it is found in South Africa and in India. They move from Siberia to places like Bharatpur. They comes from Siberia. And another example, European swallow. Oral questions you have to do with yourself. First you read the book and then you have to write the answers. What does mean the average pattern in which weather changes with time? What type of climate usually have the places nearer the equator? Name two countries of the polar region. You have to write any two countries name. Which type of adaptations in polar bear helps it to walk easily in snow? For what purpose the webbed feet of penguins are helpful? Where will you go to see the migratory birds which come in India in winter? These oral questions you have to do with yourself. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. Hot and humid climate. Hot and Polar regions was extremely cold climates, and tropical rainforest meaning hot and humid climate. Hot and humid climate. Tropical rainforests are located around the equator. It is tropical rainforest located around the equator. It is located around the equator, and the climate is therefore hotter. This is because the sun's rays are more concentrated near the equator, because here sun rays are more concentrated and in this part near the equator. Tropical rainforest is found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, and this tropical rainforest found in the Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. These regions are characterized by plenty of rainfall distributed throughout the year, means extra rainfall of distributed throughout the year, and this makes the climate humid, and due to the rainfall it makes the climate humid as well. And during hot summer the temperatures may even be higher than 40 degrees Celsius, and during the hot summer season the temperature may even be higher than 40 degrees Celsius, and length of the day and night are almost equal. The length of the day and the length of the night almost equal, means day or night are equal throughout the year, means whole year day and night are equal. Did you know tropical rainforests cover 1/12 of our planet's surface but contain more than half of the earth's plants and animals? Tropical rainforests are rich in the variety of plant and animal life. The animals include monkeys, apes, gorillas, snakes, lizards, tropical birds, bats, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, and a variety of fish in the rivers. Plants life in a tropical rainforest is also abundant. Besides the canopy, 2-3 understories are present, and plant life in the tropical rainforest is also abundant, means so much plants also present. And besides the canopy, 2-3 understories are present. In 6th class you read that what is the canopy. 2-3 understories are present. Fern, mosses, palms, climbers and epiphytes are profusely present. And let us now learn about the adaptations of animals living in hot and humid climate of tropical rainforest, as the number of animals living in a tropical rainforest is very large. Animals tend to compete with each other for shelter and food. Now we will see what are the adaptations present in those animals living in the tropical rainforest, which kind of adaptations they follow.